In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animations to your Wix website. Animations can bring life to your website, making it more engaging for your visitors. Whether you're aiming to highlight specific content or just want to give your site that extra visual appeal, adding animations is a fantastic way to catch your visitors' eye. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, head over to your Wix website editor. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your Wix account and navigate to the site you'd like to edit. This will bring you to your editor where you can make adjustments to your site's design and content. Now locate the piece of text that you want to animate. Simply click on this text to select it. It's important to choose a text element because this is what we are targeting for our animation. With your text element selected, look towards the top of your screen and find the animation icon. It's usually symbolized by a little monitor or screen icon. Go ahead and click on that. Upon clicking the animation icon, you'll see a variety of animation options appear. In Wix, animations are categorized based on how you want them to behave. The first category you'll explore is the entrance animations. These are animations that occur when a visitor first enters your site and the element comes into view. Take your time to go through the options available and select an entrance animation that best fits the style and tone of your website. Next, consider adding a loop animation. Loop animations are great for keeping elements in continuous motion. This can give your site an energetic feel, as certain elements are constantly drawing attention. Again, browse through the available loop animations and select the one that aligns well with your overall design. Following that, you might want to experiment with scroll animations. These are quite popular because they engage users as they scroll down the page. Scroll animations can add a dynamic layer to your website as visitors navigate through different sections. So choose a scroll animation that enhances the flow of your content. Finally, let's add some mouse effects. These are animations that respond to mouse movements, providing an interactive experience. They're perfect for grabbing visitor attention in a subtle and fun way. With these effects, your elements come to life as users hover over them, making your website interactive and engaging. And there you have it. Adding animations to your Wix website is a straightforward process that enhances the user experience. By incorporating entrance, loop, scroll, and mouse effects animations, you create a dynamic and visually appealing website. Feel free to mix and match these animations to see what works best for your site. Thank you for watching, and enjoy exploring the creative possibilities that animations bring to your Wix website.